Today, anyone can buy stocks with as little as $1. So is M1 Finance the place to put your money? In 2015, launched a hybrid brokerage account. M1 combined the aspects of a traditional brokerage and a robo-advisor. You can pick individual stocks, ETFs, or fractional shares. This also comes with the feature to create your own individual pie, which can allocate different weights on your portfolio. So essentially, you can make your own ETF by allocating which stocks should be in your pie and set different weights. Just like a robo-advisor, there's an option for automated investing. Minimum $25 is available, and it reinvests your dividends lumped in with the funds. Getting started, there's a refer link down in the description. $10 when you sign up. Minimum deposit to open an account is $100, and within 30 days, the $10 bonus will be deposited in your account. If you set the option to have automated investing and recurring deposits, there's essentially no trading necessary on your end, and M1 will process everything, earning you passive income over time. With the base account, there's no fees and it's free to invest and there's no minimum balance. M1 Finance also has the M1 Plus account, which offers the ability to have 1% cash back, a debit account, and earn 1% APY on unspent funds, borrow at a lower rate, and there's no account minimums, but there is a $125 annual fee. The M1 investing strategy is having multiple pies in one super pie. When creating pies, don't think of the big picture. Think of uncorrelated sectors for each individual pie. Once you have a diversified portfolio, add each sectors into the main pie portfolio. And then you can allocate different weights for each pie. However, there is a max of 100 different shareholdings, which will not allow the pie to be invested. When you click create a new pie or you click the add button, it opens with the list of recommendations of the established stocks to invest. There's also the toolbars on the header and the left hand side with parameters such as company name, financials, or market sector. The next tab is funds, where there's ETFs that there's recommended. M1 Finance has an expert tab and you can check out the hedge fund pies there also. In conclusion, there are other brokerage platforms out there with similar features. Combined all the features into one hybrid platform. There's fractional shares, automated investing, no fees, expert recommendations. M1 has it all, but there is a learning curve, and newer investors may take longer as opposed to using Robinhood or Acorns, which is more straightforward. M1 Finance has more functionality than a traditional brokerage and offers research recommendations. This is my main portfolio. I named the main pie expert pies. I have 4 other main branches here: general investing, bonds, other strategies, and bond stock split. Here you can check out the recommended, and I just essentially got one of each of the recommended. And you can check out here, there's different percentages on the return, so you can at least expect something to be within this range, as there's like a historical presence on each different fund. I looked through to get the highest yield, which when I went through was 2035. So here's it broken up, one of each. Here's one of the hedge funds. You can see there's different percentages allocated. It's kind of down right now, but that's to be expected. And when you click, you can even go deeper into the bond and you can see how much is funded into it. So with the S&P 500, even though it's only one shareholding in this one fund, it still has a larger presence. It's more than just one stock. It's the whole index of the stock market. So all the funds here, they mean a lot more than it appears on face value. There's going to be a lot of turn up, and the best way to avoid risk and mitigate it is by having a diversified portfolio. You can check out the expert pies, but at the end of the day, really anything in the main page I would recommend. You can't go wrong with the stocks or ETFs to have a historical presence, and you can double check the returns and see the dividend yield. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and once again, the refer link is down in the description. $10, minimum deposit is $100.